Looking for a powerful, ultra-thin industrial PC that fits right into your existing setups? We have the perfect drop-in upgrade ready for you. Welcome to the audio blog by SOS Electronic. We bring you the latest technical insights and solutions from the world of electronic components. Today, we're diving into AAEON Boxer 6407 TWL, ideal upgrade for industrial PCs. Let's take a closer look at the hardware and parameters of these embedded PCs. At its core, the Boxer 6407 TWL by AAEON is a fanless, ultra-thin industrial computer built to handle tight spaces and harsh environments. It serves as the ideal upgrade for older deployments, delivering significantly higher computing and graphics performance. While this newer series retains the traditional VGA interface, it swaps out the older legacy storage slots for a much faster M.2 2280 PCIe 3.0 SSD. Depending on your application's specific needs, you have two distinct processing flavors to choose from. First, let's look at the A1 model, built for raw CPU performance. It features the Intel processor N150 with 4 cores and 4 threads, running at a base frequency of 800 MHz and a turbo frequency of 3.6 GHz. It has a base power consumption of just 6 watts and integrated Intel Xe graphics. If you are dealing with heavier visual workloads, you might want to look at the A2 model. This version is optimized for graphics and runs on the Intel processor N250. It offers a higher base frequency of 1.3 GHz, a turbo frequency of 3.8 GHz, and features 32 execution units for advanced graphic processing. You might be wondering about the memory and cooling. In practice, this series includes a SODIMM slot for DDR5 4800 MHz RAM up to 32 GB. To combat heat in a fanless setup, AAEON routes thermal energy directly away from the components using thermal pads and an integrated aluminum heat spreader. This clever design keeps the modules stable even when the ambient outside temperature climbs to 60 degrees Celsius. We highly recommend pairing these units with industrial-grade SSD and RAM modules rated for extreme temperatures. When it comes to interfaces and connectivity, the series does not disappoint. You get 2 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports, multiple USB ports, and 2 configurable RS-232, 422, or 485 ports. For displays, you can use both VGA and HDMI outputs. Mechanically, the unit is incredibly compact, measuring just 153 by 101 by 30 millimeters and weighing only 0.55 kilograms. It comes ready for straightforward panel mounting right out of the box and reliably supports Windows 11 as well as Ubuntu. We have officially added these AAEON embedded systems to our portfolio, and they are available directly from our warehouse. If you need technical advice on choosing the right model, feel free to contact us. You can find full technical specifications and more articles at www.soselectronic.com. We are a reliable partner in electronics. We are here for you. Thank you for listening.